All right, so this last page is using the inverse. And so what we're going to do is we're going to enter the matrix, and then we're going to just put in the a negative 1, okay? So we're going to enter our matrix and then do the x negative 1. So when I put my matrix in, we're going to go second, x negative 1. We're going to go over to edit and enter, and then notice that our matrix for this one is a 2 by 2. So we're going to go 2, enter, and it gives us the matrix. And then we put our matrix in. So we're going to go 1, enter, 4, enter, 0, enter, negative 7, enter. So we put it in. We're going to go second, quick, get out of there. Second, x negative 1. We're just going to push enter because A is highlighted. And then we'll push the x negative 1 button. And then if we get gross answers, then we're going to go math, enter to flip it back to a fraction. And so then we see that our matrix, our solution then would be 1, 4 sevenths, 0, negative 1 7. And that's all we're going to do. So we're just going to, so this, actually, we're just going to write 1, 0, 4 sevenths, negative 1 7. And I would prefer if the decimals are gross like that, I would like you to write it as a fraction. So do the math, enter thing. For 20, it's the same thing. Okay, nothing is really changing. We go second, x negative 1. We're going to go over to edit. This time it's a 3 by 3. So we're going to go 3, enter. And then we're putting in our values. So we've got 5, 5, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. And then once we're done, we get out of there. We're going to go second, x negative 1. Go to your just enter to get A, and then x negative 1. Negative 1 up top. Push enter. We have some decimals going on. So we're going to go math, enter, and it should flip it for us. And then we're just going to put that in. All right, so we've got negative 1, 7 6, 1/3, 0, 1/3, negative 1/3, 2, negative 5 half 0. Let's make sure that's what it is. So negative 1, 7 6, 1/3, 0, 1/3, negative 1/3, 2, negative 5 half 0. Okay, that's my my inverse of the matrix up above, which means if I multiplied these two matrices together, I would get the identity matrix with one straight down the diagonal. Remember, that's what it means. And now we're going to use inverse to solve. So remember, in this section, we're going to put our first matrix in as our, make sure it's either a 2 by 2 or a 3 by 3. And then our B is our solution matrix. Okay. And then we're going to multiply them together. So we're going to do inverse of A times B to get our answer. Okay. So this is kind of where we're headed. All right. So as we do this, I would like to see on your paper what our matrices are. So A is going to be negative 5, negative 4, negative 1, 2. And then matrix B is the solution matrix, which is 11 and 2. And then our answer, because you have two variables, our answer